Hello everyone, this is Varun. Today I will share you the notes for the song "कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था" from the very famous Breathless song of Shankar Mahadev. It's based on the raga Harigamboji. The notes I will share you. Please go through the frets. Okay. So the raga is based on Harigamboji. That is C, D, E, F, G, A sharp and B. So by playing this song, Koi Jo Mila To will start from here. That is F, F, G, F, E. So by repeatedly playing in this pattern, it will be like this. That is F, E, D, C. So together it can be like this. And next one is again A sharp, and G. F sharp, sorry, A sharp, G, A, G, F. So by together it can be like this. So it will be like this. This is C. So C, D, F, G, A sharp. C, D, E, C, D, F, G, A sharp. And this is again A, this is A sharp. That is A sharp and G. A and C. The next one is A, C, A sharp, A. So it will be like this. So by practice you can be play like this. Thank you.